front of me is Huawei MatePad 11.6 PaperMatte Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by launching Settings and clicking on Bluetooth. Then click on this switcher next to Bluetooth feature to activate it, and wait for available devices to show up after hitting Allow in the pop-up. Then click on the chosen one. And last but not least, select Pair. Then just wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, use this gear next to the device and hit Unpair at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!